You just did the mid mufflers?
Just the mid mufflers,
Yeah?
Don't laugh.
Not laughing. It's good.
Sorry, for a girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a lot better. What is yours, a 6.1?
No, 5.7.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know why it sounds so loud.
Yeah, why does yours sound so good?
Was it, you put long tubes?
Long tubes with catless mids.
Oh. That's loud, man. What? Dude. That's a bit much, bro. Oh. What long tubes in?
BBKs.
BBKs? Yeah. With catless, eh? But you have cats, right?
Oh yeah, no,
yeah, you got cats.
They're high flow cats.
High flow cats? Yeah. Okay, perfect.
Inline. You can't really see them. On the car, and the neighbor comes out. She's like, "So it's not gonna be louder, is it?"
Oh yeah. It's freaking loud. Shit, dude. Oh my god. Here we go. Dude, it's so loud, man.
It's loud, eh?
How is it in the cabin?
It's not bad. You got to go past, like, have it bounce off something around you. Like, you can hear it, but it's not like when we drove across here and I was behind. It was like, but it's still.
It's good that your tips go past your body, like the body.
Yeah, there's no resonation inside at all.
Yeah.